tla borea shem kore ke boreile ke ngeneile kore sis a tla borea yo sis dimpya sis o tla borea yo bathong dumelang le kae ke shapo tla borea shem a o tla borea kore o tla ngeneha sis dimpya o sharp e jo lena mo TikTok mo le re tloelang bentleke. So I posted a video today, right? And then, okay, 2 videos. Yes. And then, when I posted them, and then, like, some people were being mean, like, on the comment section. One thing about me, I don't like it says, hi, Grace. Period. So one thing about me, like, I don't like hi Bukosi. I don't like it when people are being mean, especially like on the comment section or something. You guys know me that I don't like drama. You guys know me, I don't like drama, right? And I'm not a mean person. Like I don't answer in a mean way. But today, hi Letabo. Na Grace, can I come visit you? You say, can I come visit you? Say your hair. And I really want to come to your content creation class. So I'm not someone that's mean. And I'll never be mean to anyone because I don't want anyone to be mean to me. I'm literally very quiet when you get to meet me. And my personality is also like bubbly at the same time. And I'm not a mean person. But if you're gonna comment, kak, I'm gonna answer you. Lyric snacks. I don't care a damn anymore, man. What if ke jawatu? Grace utlano ninja lina man. Utlano luma man. Lina Grace mara o ka reng ka mo kidnap. And like o ka re yena ka kidnap nna mpya ko ntlong ya hae kwa mano itse. Yo lena ha Grace yo ha Grace ho therapeutic lena. So anyway, Mel's okay. Unshile ke mo babysitile wena. Lena marla la pisa late. Why are your eyes red? Because I'm tired. Same, as long as I'll be in her house, bruh. Make it hashtag Letabo for Grace. Blank hashtag. I tell Lani, I can tell you, Marcus and Pussy come to Monarati. I grow Monarati. I'm born Grubit. So lovely. Living content creation. Gracie.
Wangudra.
Yeah, cricket, man.
Kiriki Jawat, what is Kijawat?
Lumelin, Natanat. Natanate, Lumelum. National couple advice, Nigris. So basically, like, I'm not someone that's like, things if you get to meet me in real life, I'm really quiet and like shy. Kilibudi take lighting, Grace, like you wanna man.
Oh, Kitatima.
So like I'm not someone that likes getting like I'm very, if you get to meet me in real life, I'm shy, right? But once you get to like know me, my personality like very bubbly once I like, and like because I'm used to you and stuff, and I'm not a mean person, you know. And even with people that like comment bad stuff, especially on TikTok, but I've been getting hate since mama, you can only 2 months or 3 months, I've been getting hate, I've been getting bullied, and it's something that I've been ignoring, you know. But most times it gets to you on Tlhalanya. Like it really gets to you. And I've been quiet on social media. Ke hona ne ke bua nyana vandag. So I've been really quiet on social media. And now I post only like campaign stuff. And then I get some. Because I can't help but sometimes I look at the comments, not all the times. If I'm not getting comments, get a DM. People are bullying me or I'm getting hate, right? Sharp, always. So today I decided to answer because I was like, I've had enough. So one, I posted this other video, right? So now this other lady's like, are you wearing a pad? Like, but you want
Who does that?
are you wearing a pad? So like I answered, I was like, Baurumile.
Like we are buried.
Omong are,
Girl.
omong are monna are, wa ikutlwa ha o ile kana. Ke re wena wa ya o ile kana. Bathong ba Modimo.
But people have the nerve. Like I saw this in but like what the hell?
Nna kopela o ntsire
Do you delete
hape
them? I
hape.
hope you don't leave them.
I what?
What do you delete?
I get it delete. Mara, you know what my problem is? You know how people are, bruh? People can literally screenshot and then say you mean or watella or something like that. But when they comment bad
That's
stuff,
what they did to me
when
when they wanted an apartment tour, and I was like, "Udwe yetang." They said I'm rude,
I remember.
and I stood up with my word. Like, ukasukwatela ubona ndlu yakho santusu patala renti.
Period.
Like besides that, like I think people need to set up. I don't know. I sometimes feel like my content is too nice because even when people come across me, ukari
Yeah.
like uka video call kiri good night. You know the way you are approaching me. You know?
Yeah. And
So rather
I
with the negative comments, ufadi udi delete.
a re ke ndlondlo ya spatch ke ro ska ntloela masepa.
What's king like vagina?
Like literally, like yeah, ndlondlo beyang.
People have like how dirty is your mind for you to be even
And like, you know
analyzing
what
that?
irritates me? You're a girl,
Were you
bruh.
dancing?
Nah, ke bina ke le show kante ke tsore ko
Shame, I'm sorry.
ndlondlo. Kopela dijo
I'm
ke le sharp
sorry.
please.
Do you delete them though?
I don't, but I feel like every time like I get so angry
You
and
delete
want to
them because
answer everybody, every
they
time I want
create
to,
their own little community on your comment section. So
yo, bruh.
you should delete them.
Every time that explains you switching off the comments. Yeah, my comments are always off because people are always mean. Na ebile fokofong na ke a tsamaya na ke sa bua mo TikTok na la bore. See now from now on I'm gonna post work stuff, the campaign after campaign out.
But now, how are you gonna get more campaigns if you stop posting?
I get it. Hey, na witikela pili. Ke Grace. Ke na le 2 months ke goa. Ha o bone hore mara like ke nna ne ke deservang Durban ela mara papa o yena o strong. Nna ke nna ne ke deservang. No serious like papa o strong yena o sharp. Ke nna ne ke deservang Durban ela witse. Ho bolela nnete.
I'm just still gaining strength.
Ke teng. Grace nna o re ha o tsamaya o call.
Eh?
Ke there bye. Ke teng man. Nna like a ke tse why batho e le rato travel a le rato mpitsa witse. Ene ke teng shem like ke na le passport mputsisi. I see stamping mara ke teng.
Yeah, you need to always have a passport. You'll never know. You have to be ready with a passport. But then
Wena Grace wena isikale wena wa re tloela Grace wena isikale o wa tsamaya wena o ya di o re kante ene o tlo re lebala gore ke rena ne re like di comment dilo tsa hao Grace o ska re lebala a ke ro bona o ka emails
nka se lebala ke tlo lebala ke le se a le serasa ke
o molomong o nna kwao ke eng pero o ka emails o molomong o nna kwao batho nna ke na le batswadi batho ba mo ke gore ke eng mare ai Durban ela.
It was nice, yo.
I saw.
I'm putting another one for my mom. My parents are separated, so I need to do separate things for them. It's so tiring, hey?
Lin namputsisi ki family how it's just that you don't know it. Ne ba tshabo botsa Grace. Le nna plan le something ke tla ranga ra kitse.
I get that one.
Ke tla ira o ka ra ke itse man Grace, e tla ba surprise. O tla ra gore thara ka ira nka ra ke itse wa tlholang.
Yo, nka na le tšhelete sa feleng sham. Nka le ntsha bo botlhe.
E seng bo botlhe nna wena o tlhalwang. Nna wa tlhola gore ke reng. Can't what's going on between Boitumelo ba o rumile Netšong. Wena ba o rumile ene ke tlo rapedisa ngwanake. Ke tlo rapedisa. Le tliseng dieta ke le tlhatswetseng tlisa.
Nna ko robala, nna ke mmerekong ka sana.
O robala nako mang?
Ne ke cleaner.
Wena Grace o rata o cleana boshiu ene a fetsa o tseya content.
I can't sleep like you know something go sinking. Like matlhaka a lapile, like I can tell what I'm very tired.
Samuel bone ke tlo re nna ne ke nyoko tla classeng tsa hao man ish ke serious.
You should. I think I'll host another one month end of August.
August e cool.
I can get it to like really too close to each other, you know. Like
August e cool. Bitse ke meme ha o ja batho o tla nloma man wa ntlhaba plus nna vele like ke butswa ka pele tlhalwang a ke na o sokodise ke butswa ka pele.
Already ke 11 minutes past yo. That's always call. Go get Timo saying.
No problem, man. It is nice seeing you. Oh, hey, ke tlo tsena inbox.
On Instagram, ke kwetse di DM tsa ka mo TikTok.
Le nna ke tlo di kwala shem. Ke ikutlwile.
You should, yo.
Okay, ke tla tsena mo Instagram.
Sharp.
You look beautiful, by the way.
Thank you.
Sharp. Good night. Sharp. Lina, Gracie o etsang o adopta go nna le ena. A o ka se lese ke di-comments. Wena, a ke na nako ya dilo tseo. Le re dintshang. Are you Pretorian? Hey, I'm everything in. Call me Lizzie, hora tlo irang. Wena wa isa mvune le ka re go no matlang. Ke mare le thaba a re sa o bona. Ya, a ke re la ntshwenya. Wa le nyako mpona le ntshwenya. A re o bone le shapo le sampone. Wena Boitumelo o rumile na? Rarabilwe molate ko Instagram o mo founela. Kopa ba tšhomi ya wena a ke di batlang dilo tseo. Aban Roma, I'm just asking dude. Why o sa asking motho mmatlang wa mmona ra teng hlele. A ke re mpona re grobetse. Ena ke re nka ba robetse motho go ga nka be ke motho sa ke re ba o batla. Ke re Boitumelo wa o batla. So ka ra bona ke tsose motho. King. Hey. Re batla go bona. Batho ba modimo a le mpone. Nyaaya, mme ke teng ba gaetsho. Ke teng man. Wa re go dire kgeng. Wa mfetsa. Se ga se. Why are you being so mean? I'm tired of being nice. Ga ke sa batla go smile le ope. No smiling until I have 5 million. Ye o tlotleng. Le bone le timile man. No, sorry then bro. O sharp mar. Ke sharp wena. Why you broke up so fast? What? Broke what? Bua kai. Mqimbi o dirang ke ya. Mqimbi o edile man. Batla go focus mo sekolong. O motswana e be ke motswana. Be ya ga Melzi re go tlile ya yanda ke la bo 5 o type so sewa. Since o tsamaile man. Ga teng Pex o boregile e batho. Seriously. Why o sa go bala? Because ga ke na boroko. Ke batla go dila ka batho ba mo TikTok ha. Looking forward to see you at La Youth. Let's go. Buang me. Fandaka ke ready ke na le nyena. Buang. Buang. Fandaka ke araba. I'm tired of being nice. Buang. Bye, Lethabo. It's again. Good night. How is law? Law ya nyanong. Naka ke dire law mos. Nyaman. Uko mo bua Setswana yana. Ke Motswana ke re let's go to Paris. Eta re tsamaye man. A re tsamaye. No wala mos. Batho ke phone ya ka ke re. Nka go bolela shit if ke batla. Ke choice ya ga go nana. Ga go amplela ga mpolele ga ke na sepolana ga go itse mos. Go tswana ela. Le fifin le kana ga gona mabona ba tla go nthekela. Why did you and Melzy break up? Hey, ke mana go radio tsewa nyena le bereka overtime mos. Lo itse ditaba tse ke sa di itse. Le nna ke a bua. One word to describe your high school experience. Yo. That's my one word. Blocka fela sheba a ke rana ka go blocka. Ke batla ba bone success ya ka. Why are you getting those replies, bra? It's an you know what my problem is? I'm always keeping quiet and people are always bullying me and people are always saying mean things. Fandaka ke na le nyena. Fandaka ke na le nyena. Word of advice, the advice di edile mmago bosigo batla go robala. What did you have for supper? Ga ya tle. Reasoning ya how is strong. Kante ya mo pedi. Ke Motswana. How's life with Melzy? Amazing. Go off. Off what? Wena 1.235 followers. Do BBL, you'll save a relationship. BBL ga save a relationship. Mojolo ga se beauty contest nana. Why are you letting them bully you? Hey, batho. People tend to comment bad stuff and they bully you or they say mean things and things I'm always quiet, right? So now they take advantage of that, the fact that I'm always quiet. Welcome to Melzy Kimang, international DJ, producer. What else do you want to know? Oh, and my man, period. Yalala. Yalala guys, your hair is suring bagayo. Kinailwe fa mo go nna. You're always quiet and they take that for granted. Seriously. I ke bone ditrat go rudire wa di tlhoka ke lala. Go gontsi man. Go gontsi. Awusazi Zulu, nyasazi Zulu. Besides music, what does Melzy do for a living? I don't know if what you typed when I so typing was otherwise ke le boleletse gore ga le batla go itse ka Melzy tsamaya le go mo texta tla mo go nna ya lala. Sorry magaetsho, sorry. Dwe and then what? Ke neilwe. Ke neilwe. Wa itshegisa o batla ke dire ke lele. What is taking mang? No, bruh. Like, thing is, I'm always quiet, and people like always say bad things to me. Fandaga, why you no longer uploading YouTube vlogs? I'm gonna upload. If it's a relationship, if it's a kwana dikeledi, na rutwa ka wena. Ke batla go founela baby ke re gate re ke neilwe re go edile. Na kutla ka wena mos. Gora gore o rapela overtime nana. I'm sorry, dithapelo tsa go ga di bereke. I will explain or fill the story. Oh yes, so I was saying, what's this thing? You don't love him. I don't need to explain my love for my man to you. Sorry. People have been saying bad things. People have been saying like bad things and like bullying me, especially in my DMs. People have been coming for me. Yo, Janu, Fandaga Kinalina. From the video you posted today. What about the video? Hey, sweetheart. Hi, Chippy Ma. Oh, I love your blue outfit. Thank you. Sending love from room. He thought in a room. It's just hatred. So like a hatred. Whoever's been coming for me, he thought mo live nya go tlo go bua ke teng man. Ke ha we made ga ke tsoga ke imelwa ke wena na. I love you, precious. I'm not back. After Fandaga ke go didimala gape ke go tswa ke tsamaile. Ke go bo after 5 months. Ona le mathata at least wena. Ke botsa ela. Ga ke ilwe. Khalifo Binta. Why always single? Na kutla ka wena mme gore ke single. You are crazy. Crazy business. So Felix beyang with those rude people. Ga ke ba rabe, a ke re ke le go ba raba mo living ha. Na itsana ga ke rate go bother batho tle, so I really miss them. Serious, I feel like not taba like this. You have a good heart. Thank you so much. You're not sure about you and Melzy. Na kutla ka wena mme. Focus on the fundamentals. Utsho mo di relationship tsa bana mogolo how. All of a sudden, you're not saying anything to her. Thank you, Rani. Janu. Saying 5 months. Gat 5 months dira. Class straight di tlhola go bua ka di site. Nlebe straight o bua go roreng. Ke go utlwe. Why are your eyes red? I'm tired. Nare o motswana ke re ke motswana batho. Yo o molala. Wena o lengwile. Hey Maui, how was your day? My day was very tiring, hey. It's very, very tiring. Oh, desperado. The braces are good to dental clinic are there affordable years. Mandi. La rogone la mma. Why matlale re do imetse ka re ke imetse ko wena na. Khipane khanya ma battery tle. Ke bela le lengwele. Just give some speak speedy. You're lying. You're not Tswana. That's called being multilingual. Yewena. O robetse le mang? Ga se taba ya gago. Wa batla go tseba. Ga itse ke go botse dio tsewa. A ke lwe. Ke bona ba balwang. Bo lengwele ba alwa ha. Nna ba bangwe re botswa dipotso ka mowa o maswe. Ha re botse dipotso ka moya o maswe. No ke la ga ba sentle mama. Ska wara. Wa rasa. Tima phone ya gago mme. A ina le switch off button kgotsa wa e hutswetsa. Itimile. Ke lala. Hi guys. Ya dlala man. Makgakga. Ga ke makgakga. Sorry man. That's why Rabutara batla go itse better than we do. Yeah, but like don't ask personal dumb questions. Like you guys asking me about my partner. La mona go gayo. And ka ba go bitse ha ke reng ka pike motsosa. Ka pike motsosa ke re ra go ba simane go batla. Period. Poftle. E wena motsepe. Why are you in the dark? Because the future is too bright. Ke a fatlhega. Ra go ba simane. Bolengwele ba bora man. Yena loro. Ishtle. O tlotleng ke batla go robala. Ra go bo boyza. Ke tla go fona ra go bo boyza. Thank you batho. Nyena bolengwele la bora man. Please visit Botswana. Mbukeng ka wa go Botswana man. Mbukeng man. Laita le bone. Ga gona mabone ha. Mabona e dile rra. Why are you in the dark? Batho ke go rile ke the future is too bright ke a fatlhega. Batho. Wa o tsela serious. I'm from the northwest. Yeah. My daughter's favorite. Please say hi to your daughter. Do you know how to sing? Sometimes I love how you're standing up for yourself against people who period. Why sometimes Opela sometimes man fanda ga sometimes yaka. Poor woman. o mo tšwela go kaya go ganyisa. Bedtime story kwa suka-sukela nana Qosi ka be ke ya ko Instagram be ke kopana le DM o buta ba mfasa ke be ke mo dumela. Then we were happy forever and ever. Baloi ba bang ba batla gore re ska ratana, ba bua dilo mo di-comment-eng. Jaanong mme baby a ba re forever wena le nna ke re forever wena, e be ke mora ke re ra deservana, le ena ba re ka mo deserva le nna wa deserve. And then Qosi story sa helela hawa go edile moseish ba tla go robala lo edisa a lo sana di-question a kere a ke go araba ope ya go robala ra deservana Qosi hle. Ish. Girl, I saw your man lane yesterday. I tried to get you, but you didn't respond. I'm sorry. Yesterday you were in a hurry. I'm so sorry. Yaanong rona re tsena kae o ska re rona life ga se group work nana o re nna re le go eda bana ba bang last 61 followers tsa mo go robala tsa mo go dira homework man tsena na ke go robala ne le kopa lo mbuke man mbukeng I am open for bookings. Kopa lo mpitse nana kopa o nkagabe before o robala. Potso ga go keng Chomi? How much? O tlutleng o tlutleng ga batla go botsa how much o ntse le mo teng ga di-DM o bo botsa gore how much. Melzi o kae? Melzi ko Kretche tlhatsi ke go bloka mos 42 followers ba o romile. Okay, Melzi o ko Kretche you know wa lapisa man. Obviously go lata batho ba robetse a lo ka mpotsa ka motho le itse go lata motho a ka ba robetse man. Ish o le tse di ga ke no bojalwa tsa mo go bala aya ke go rata man. Venda is calling you, book me tle go Kretcheng. That's so mean. No, but what do you guys want me to say? Obviously it's late, you can't ask me about my partner, he's sleeping. How? Let's see him. Eta go mo DM kwa o mo kope go mo sia ra go ba simane man o robetse. Melzi o kae? O go Dubai? Ke go robalane ke a lo rata ya o rata ne bebesa o ratwa ke nna ha sa le Kretch. Okay, I'm so tired. Lore ka nna wena. I love you guys so much and thank you guys for the support that you guys have been giving me. Please keep on supporting me. Ke a lo rata. And please check my comments on my recent posts. Yaga comment wa itlola dira gape bua gape mos lo like and dio tsa kane ke lo rata man lo comment the positive things ke lo rata forever period mos ke lo rata forever. You must comment positive things. I get lo itse mos, lo itse. O tla go bala ka 2 Love you. Good night. Re lampi dira. Ke batla go nyala. Jesu ene. Wa go mo nyala neng? Wa go nyala neng Jehova? Ka go batla go nyala bana ba batho. Nyalang Jesu pele. Ena lo batla go tabogela manyalo man. Ke sa le monyane for manyalo ke batla go enjoy life wena. I love you and please be strong. I'm trying, Mama. I'm really trying. But I'm gonna be okay. Thank you so much. Ena lo batla go tabogela manyalo. Hele le kra motho lo batla go monyala. Nyalang Jesu. Modimo a ka se go chitele man. Modimo a ka se go chitele, a ka se go hete, a ka se go robe pelo, a ka se go dire dio tse di snacks, and a ka se go lapisa, a ka se go founele bosigo go betse, a ka se go dire dio tse wa bona. Nyalang Jesu man. Nyalang Jesu. You deserve only the best. Ke a go lela tle. Wa chitele. I never said that. O journalist wena. Atlegang Mtau, wa 352 followers, wa bio ya here for fun, still new, please be nice, but you're not being nice on other people's lives. What's in? What happened, Digging? What's happening? Nyaki la pile ba gaetsho. Sharp. Hey, I don't know, man, but I'm okay. Yadla, I'm good, man. Go dira. Maybe ga o bui wena man. Ga ke bone di-comment tsa gago nna. Botsa potso ga gago. Di se di taboge di-comments. Hello, Kokecho. How's work? Work is amazing. Kopa channel ya WhatsApp ya go dira. Ntse ke wa papa. Ntse ke ko TV wena. Can you do motivational talks to students? Yes, I do. I do. I'm professional, man. Hey, when I use a 9 million, can you do some put on 20? I only have one account. Oh, shut up, wako kanyesa mama. Kila pile man. When last did you see the trick? Your last year, yeah, man. So born at the man. You killed that character, says I love you. I love you. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you. You khonya dinko. Ke a no tshega. Ga tshegise. Ke tla. I'm really about to pass out. ganela ke pass out mo teng ga live ke go trenda. Skincare routine or Black Mimi. Ooh, it's sorry, Bagajo. I love you, Tutle. Ooh, Timami. O tshegang yo go tshegisa nana ga o go robala 61 followers a je go block o bua too much a ke rata batho ba go bua man ka re le nna ga ke rata go bua ai o molala le wena wa tsamaya wa blockiwa le molala wa gago all Black me my eyes are so tired. Yo, my eyes are so tired. Okay, Musibet uko Zimbabwe. Yala. Lerato potso ga go ke next thing you have eye bags. No, I'm gonna put on makeup tomorrow. I'm gonna have makeup on. So look at my tomorrow I'm gonna have makeup on. Or bora when before fofa mo live nyaka ke ka lina la gago. I see boroko man. My eyes are just painful, that's it. I'm not sleepy. Girl, West Billy's trying to what's your home language? Afrikaans. Yeah, my eyes are painful. Is it the one it's a sticky girlfriend's day? Hey, I wonder how could you re ke batla go bona content ya nyena ke tla be ke butse ha mo teng ga mpete ke shebeletse content ya lena ntse ke like ke oh so cute oh karingalela so cute. Are you sick? My eyes are just painful. Ntate moletsana mo live-eng ya bana tle ya go le sheba ka girlfriend se ke re oh my gosh karingalela so cute so cute. Bakugilile. What does that mean? Any postage college is okay, let's go sleep. Post up the content your girlfriend's day. Nah, Now you'll post a sip. Even if I get something for Girlfriend's Day, I'm not gonna post anything. Lorata di otsa batho. Hey. Ke neilwe. Lorata di taba tsa batho. Yana ke manyo. Are mo eding.
Hello, mom. Now, mom. How are you, mama?
I'm
I
fine.
Zikara lani ko.
Khatina.
Yeah, mama.
Hi.
How are you, mama?
I'm good. How are you?
I hate you. Where are you from? Yeah, I can't hear you. Where are you from? Good night. Grandfather.
Ke ne ke sa itse gore ke go bantsha yang. Eish, ge go gontsi man. Who else is live? Batla lekula man. Batla lekula. Ke a nevala. Go se phete man. Go gontsi ela. My eyes are painful, but you. Matlho a botlhoko because ke ne ke mo adimile matlho a ka baby, because ke ne ke bona ka ena le ditsebe tsa ka di botlhoko because ke ne ke mo adimile ka ke utlwa ka ena. Itse ga nka itshwara yana ke go kry-a something for Girlfriend's Day. Into engamenzela yona umfana menga continue ukuziphatha kahle. Yadlala. Hey, that's good. O gone? Ga ke gone. Sa ba ntsenya mo teng ga ditaba tse ke sa di itse. Ed Skim Noah, who's that? Ke mang yo? E bana le ntino live. Umlingisi ka Maskandi. Yowi. King But o gone wile kae le nna ga ke itse. Can you break up with and never ke eme mona ha ke itse ke ne ke batla yena fela ke a dlala yo. Ke batla Jesu fela man. Modimo wa Israel. Jehovah Telu Moya. Sana Marena. Re go ka tlo go kwa re go checka ka tlo go dira ya.
Like how do you medisa lo dumedisa no
Ke ne ke tla go wa re sa ka tlego.
Wirala.
How are you tle?
Manata na.
Period. Pov.
O se robala bas.
Ke batla go araba di negative comments fanda ga ke kutlwa matla.
Ke eng ka rona le mathata bana?
Ga ke na tle ish.
Wena no lelang.
Ga ke na nako go lla ke go lla go le godimo man. Matlha ka botlhoko.
Mara matlho a ready why?
I'm tired boy. Yo.
Robala.
No, not that tired. Like my eyes are painful and my body is like it has shut down shame.
Ba reng di hate mara ta bona bo botle.
Period. Wena ke go ratela eng? Pov.
Mara ta bona bo botle. Ba reng jo? Ba botsa ba reng?
Violet re ba motlhadile ke utlwa ka wena nana.
Jo mo feeling like ke Tisby.
We.
Yes. Ke no le bo ma Hennessy kana Don Julio kana yo akiti mara ke noele end of the day ke noele.
We.
Why ke Friday?
Jaanong ga go le free taga.
Hapa nna re tshwanelo yena re nang di plan.
jaanong ke šola gore ga ke no bojalwa
Yeah.
ke re ke šola gore ga ke no bojalwa
So like how it's on one just
yeah or like Red Bull le metsi
wena. O tlala ka dash.
bona moloi ha commenting gate ke go fa 2 weeks e wena na le monna ka forever nana if ga o itse re tla ko ganyana re go etela mane
Emcimbi. Eh, ayi,
go
phofu.
qabana
So like ke lenyalo vele.
guys have you streamed the song
Ke re ke lenyalo na.
lenyalo line
Ke dumile di-scones.
ka mo manyalong nyalang Jesu man
Ke dumile di-scones.
man a gona lenyalo man ke go nyala Jesu nna
No, must who bad.
a go bad
So who bad, who lovely, like.
who amazing
Wena.
period nana
Very tipsy.
tipsy
Mm.
fall in love nana
No, like kajola mar like yes. Gar kwa shot.
go shota eng
Aki itse ke botse wena.
privacy
Yeah, I private. Solo utle ba re kajola wena.
ke ra gona go privacy ke yona answer ga go ela
Ke tsang privacy.
because one stay like that
Oh, yes. Yes. Wena why no re botsa wena?
ga ke a le botsa ba re tshotse video ge le ko polokwane gate ha we ma e bona yena o yena
So mara 1 + 1.
Bumos.
Well,
Yeah,
so
I never confirmed anything. I never said anything.
oh,
Yeah, I never said anything. Nna ke utlwa ka nyena mme
mara ra itse at the end of the day.
gore
Gore like kona le moshika-shika.
nna ga ke se moshekasheke o buang ka ona oa
Like ke itse boshiu la tshwarana re itse.
ga ke itse ka gona bosigo ke a robala
Only one.
bu nna ke dula ko gae batho ke na le batswadi nyena
O itse mang ko RTBS?
ke kae kwa
O itse mang ko RTBS le tao?
ke kae kwa
I have a question.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know that place.
Oh, you don't know anyone in RTBS?
No.
Okay. O itse mang ko Terrace Park?
Gaby.
Fela.
Monyana mang gate ke Gaby bu
Okay.
ga ke go bua ka
Na ora nna ke robala ka ditlhako ne.
ka dibutsu rra
Oh, okay.
butle sorry mataka man
Ai. Ke nna bari mo pila-pila. Bari ke nna.
nyena
Ai, ana flopple table. As long as we live.
ba re question here for us gona di-answer tse re go di kry-a mo go nna
No, guys, Lethabo la ka question ke Jesu ka se marabo.
true
Like, go botsa Lethabo di question I ke itse expecting.
irase true
Like ka sekgowa ba re ke PR training.
pov
Yeah. PR. If I itse PR Google. Lethabo definitely funny. What's his motho? Marlana like Lerato why? How tshise motho o robetse. O tshisa kang?
wangelasa rra wangelasa gate ke Trevor Noah
Tse di trata boss.
butle ish
No, mara tse o di tlhaletse se paid promo.
o maaka ke na le
Tse
overbite se tlatla
nkare ke di-pay ke tsela tsa gore have our braces for 3 months and we'll pay you.
katlego tlhe ga ise
Okay, hai, kayak.
bu
Jule Thabo, you treat us straight like men how sharp.
they're not straight. I have an overbite ga ise mpone face to face
Baite kana.
e wena o itseng ka overbite wena mme ga ise mpone face to face se tlatla
O bisa nna.
sorry mataka sorry man ga ise nna
Man, e jo wa bolela Setswana, can we relang wena?
ke re gate ke bue puo ya ko gae
Oh, kana damane se fane sa keng mpai. Ke
modimo wa me ntsha monna ka mo teng ga ditaba tsa gago ke a dlala.
No man, mekwa lempai like it's not
E
the
wena
same. You know?
tswa
No,
hawa
ke no.
e wena tswa hawa
Mekwa mpai like
tswa hawa
sorry. Maar die brace tseo paid promo.
ga se boom
Paid promo.
ke
Email ya teng ne re,
o na le bothata a o na
good
le
evening or morning or afternoon Lethabo Mekwa. Would like to propose a partnership between us and you. We'd like to offer you our braces for 3 months, and then you post our business, post collaboration, and we will pay
let me
you.
tell you ke na le overbite se tlatla. Number 2 ke nyewa
No, I can overbite.
ebu e gana ke go bolela gore why
Bolel.
Lethabo o bona le cat today. Yes,
Yes, what do you mean?
e seng wena se tlatla ke
Ke tla tswa mo mpitse se tla gape ke tla tswa.
re mata ka man itse o no rata basadi ga yo go tswa o ska utile basadi ke dlala
Ka jo e bona sana.
ke dlala man o jwa le flex a ire ke dlala
I'm fine to tell you borogo no. O bolela 0 fela no. Hi, no bolela 0.
period man ke se ga se ke lapile man.
No tlhalosa overbite.
Yes, it's like I have an overbite and my teeth at the back. So ga ke tso go ba ibitsa eng ke lebetse so nenge man because you guys only see mo pele ke smile on the pictures, you don't see what's happening inside. Otherwise go ntsi man.
So go morao mena ha beta di gang sign like
Katlego
sorry.
bolela Sepedi o nyaka ke bolele Sepedi ke reng
Ai nna re ka se utlwe mos.
ba ka senkoshishi ka moka gore ke tore
Yeah, like if o bolela Sepedi nna ke to tsamaya o sera le batho ba.
Sepedi re
Yeah, a re utlwe pila bolela Sepedi.
nna re over brag
Yes, aye.
over jo go filetse
Re ditsang baswa.
jo viral
Ke nkara ka te ben.
jo ina na go khawate jo jigiste zaga fela
We na. Vitsinga zaga.
period yona nyake hanjo aone
Na mara zaga yona ya nyake like kana bana le zaga ba ba single. O ka se be single o sna zaga like.
ayo mos guys it's gifting mos for ka McDonald
Go ba botsa.
yeah mos kan ayo ke ba khopela
Awa hapa o kopela ba botsa wa re ba fe zaga.
ba gaetsho ba modimo ba South Africa, my peoples ke a le kopa
Shina ke kono gift ga no rira ka.
man sama jo kotla mo
Ka kotla Ivan.
on dintsang
True, empty option tse di la yona, ke na tšhelete la yona.
batla go change voice man
Oh, a she one.
ntsang jo ka leo
Oi. Leta oi.
dilelanjo
Bolela pila.
mara ke a over mos
Hape no like base ya feta yaka.
a jo ra ngwanyana jo
Good night.
a dlala jo e mapele kana o jenela ka jo tlola para skete man tlola lo ditsa bona o itshwara molomo ke lo tsa basadi lo tse wa fa sa ke a dlala tle mataka man sorry ke itse ke a dlala
Ya nna ka bontsha. Ba ba.
a o tshepe
Na just enough.
o ne go utlwa ga letlalo betha ga ditlapa sa o tshabile otherwise ga te skimi dropping kane wa e damana tswile ore wa ntshaba ore o atile ore o ilolla jona that's why mauthi ambora jo mauthi a ratolla man mauthi a busy a llalla no ka mmoledisa so se brase yena o ira o tshaba Tavela. The one that's a little too. Anyway, bagay bo baby si maro honor. Or tshwaretse. Nyaka baby si nyana o ka mbetshang. Ke dlale. Ke dlale. Nyina a ka tle go ba lela serious. Winter e fedile le ska bashimaneng. Shebile ka ba man di bone fika. Hey. Mkipeni ma battery bya. Ke dlala. Next customer, please. Teller 3. Yeah, ke lapile man. Bye guys. Please keep on supporting and loving me. Period ne. Exclamation mark POV. Period. Bye. I love you guys. Oh, this is for all the people that didn't get good night texts today. Good night, gorgeous. I love you so much. Bye. Period pains POV. Hey, sort of.